Hello my art viewers, welcome to my channel The Art of Inside Impressions. So today we are going to see denting technique. So to do this you require a empty refill pen. So if you have any empty pen, so you can use that and test it before doing on actual artwork. So to start with this technique, you should draw initial lines using HB pencil and apply the pressure, light pressure, not heavy pressure. Apply the pressure on the pencil marks. Hold pencil firmly and do this. So let me zoom in, and yes, now you can see I guess. So observe properly. I have already drawn using pencil and I'm applying force and I'm doing the denting technique. And again, if you are confident enough, you can directly draw the denting marks. But observe carefully before doing it, because you can't fill in anything, like you can't fill graphite powder or charcoal powder after doing the denting technique. So observe properly and do it. So to avoid risk, you can always draw pencil marks and do on it. That is suggestible. And if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get new notifications. Every like is important to me because every like will boost me to do more. And coming to the process, you can add on the denting lines as you can observe in reference image and you can do on. So I'll skip the process to make it easier. And now you can see the results after denting technique. Through this technique, you can achieve fine lines which you can't achieve using other tool. So denting technique is not suggestible, but in few areas it is very much important and it is up to you. You can use denting technique as shown in this video, or else you can use white eraser in order to get those fine lines. So I am skipping few process because you can see my previous videos to learn it. So you can see I'm doing it as fast as possible. So here, after filling, if your denting lines are missing, you can use pencil eraser absolutely to give the white effect. And also it is easy to erase because we already did the denting lines, so it will not be so hard to do. And if you are not satisfied with the results, you can always redo the lines as I am doing now. In the same way you can do it. See, it is so easy, and don't be in hurry, do it with patience. And you can fill in with 6B 10B pencil, or else you can add more layers and you can give the white effect using white pencil eraser. So this is the complete process. So I'll show in step by step way, so that will make your job easy. And this is our filling process. So in this way you need to fill in first, and again now we'll use pencil eraser and bring up the white effect. So I'm filling it like 2 layers of 6B and 10B, and I'll complete the entire process and I'll focus only on this area. Let me skip this process. Yes, I did. And I'm using blending stump and I'm blending the dots which I've given using 10B pencil. So give dots and this using blending stump, blend it properly. After blending dots, we'll blend these lines. So this will create as fur effect. So hairy effect, to create that we need to use blending stump. And you can easily observe it is creating hair effect. So this is most important process to do. And adding these irregular lines will look more realistic. So add on the irregular lines which are clearly visible in the reference image. And guys, we are almost done with this season. So we'll start next season with an interesting artwork. Now we are using pencil eraser and we'll create this hair effect using the lines which is shown in the video. So it is easy process. First apply the base layer of charcoal powder and give this air lines. So to see the complete process of these lines, you can see my previous video which is detailedly explained. and next video will be the last video of this season. So I hope you're already doing your tiger, and I hope to see all your artwork, and I'm eagerly waiting to do so. And now we are almost done with this area. We'll see the other area now. So before going to other area, we need to add few lines using HB pencil or 2B pencil to a realistic look. So do with patience and don't add too many lines. Make it simple and don't give more pressure. Add few lines. While doing this, hold your pencil lightly so it will not create more pressure. So controlling is most important in every artwork, so you need to have control on your pencil. And finally we'll add few lines using pencil eraser. So I'm done with this area, so we'll look into other area. Here I'm using 10B pencil directly because it is more darker, and you can also use charcoal pencil that is soft grade. You can use soft one and you can give this dark region, so that is optional, or you can use directly graphite pencil and it is completely your preference. So I'm filling it. I'll skip this process. So this is just filling in. So yeah, and now you achieve the darkest region. So I use charcoal pencil only, and you can do with 12B or 10B pencil. So here also I'm using charcoal pencil. So here you have few lighter spots, so that we need to observe. So first I draw this spots, and after that I'm going to fill. So that spots are irregular, so you can add according to your choice. So do the spots according to reference image. Now I'm done with the spots and I'm using blending stump to blend it with light pressure. After blending, grab your 10B pencil and add on the darker spots which are clearly visible in the reference image. So after adding this darker spots, we'll add the white spots using pencil eraser. This is a well-known process, so let me skip it. Now I'll add white spots using pencil eraser. So I'll skip this process to make a short video. And after adding those, we'll use soft paintbrush to blend in. So I blended using paintbrush, so that will make a realistic look. So we are going to other area and achieve the same process to achieve hairy look. We are doing the area which is shown in the reference image clearly. So in between we are having a darkest region, a thin layer, so I added it, and I'm using blending stump to give the hairy effect which is already shown in this video. The previous step, the first step is that how to achieve hairy effect. So if you are seeing from beginning, that will be a easy process, so please don't skip it because every process is important which I'm teaching. And I skipped it, so we can see other region and we can cover other region in this video. So I'm going with the other region, that is darker spots, using 10B pencil. You can do this, so directly apply 10B pencil. So that region is almost done. and this region will take up in the next video, and today we'll sign up with this process. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed, please give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get new notifications, and don't forget the challenge. And thank you so much, and we'll meet in next video.